from being too heavy-handed.
Okay.
Any trouble areas?
Like maybe the back,
The back.
middle of my head is more sensitive. Somewhere around there. Yeah. I know I was really, really sensitive about it as a kid, and my mom would just be like, "Oh my God, you scream!" Like you squeal around at like anything. I'm just like, yeah.
You had to learn your tolerance.
Huh?
You had to learn your tolerance. When you're young, like your pain tolerance is not that high because you're like, oh, it's like any little thing hurt. Like,
my pain tolerance is like now it's like I'm able to feel everything, so I'm able to tell you if it is too rough or depending on in the moment.
Okay.
So my hair cutting.
What's your shit?
Yeah. I was just like, what's that? The chef? Oh shoot.
I like Oshun.
Oh yeah. She's with me always. Screeching at me when needed.
Over Tyler's with me.
Huh?
Over Tyler.
Obatala, yeah, he's they're with me as well. They're more of a shower than a speaker. Yeah. Ogun pops up, but he's not really like present like that. He'll just stand there.
I've only ever seen those shrimp in the water.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to get back to. Because the land is quite taxing.
Definitely love the beach.
Oh yeah, the beach is really nice. Let me get to there.
Can you speak fluent Hebrew?
What language?
Hebrew?
Not Hebrew. Are you able to?
No, I can kind of decipher some of the words. I'm working on trying to learn symbols and dialect so I can read and write it. It kind of helps when reading ancient text.
Okay.
Especially when you want to understand certain elemental things.
Okay. I'll keep that in mind. Add that to my list of languages. Because the languages that I'm currently into is Spanish, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, French. I'm mostly focusing on Spanish. And then I want to get into Korean. But right now my life path is guiding me more towards Japanese. So
that's cool.
Yeah.
I did Spanish for 2 years.
Oh, did you? Oh, that's nice. How good are you able to retain the language? You're a Gemini, so I imagine you're able to, like, pretty well.
It comes up like a conversation, like I remember certain things, like we having just regular conversation.
Okay.
And somebody might say one part of the sentence and I'm like, okay, I remember it. That was when I did Spanish, that was in high school.
Oh.
I had to take me Spanish after my adult years.
Okay.
But I definitely am a sponge, and you're right. If I do take it in my adult years, it's going to be to a different degree. I'd probably be able to speak it fluently in like a year.
Oh, that's nice.
So I'm definitely a studier. You know, like Rosetta Stone, I like to listen and repeat.
Oh, yeah.
And to a degree, I got somewhat of photographic memory.
Okay. If you're a visual person, then that's going to come into play. I'll study hardcore. I know I was doing that last year up to like maybe January, and then I got sick, and then my by the end of January, and then my focus turned more towards like my like earthly body, and then that made me study a little bit less of everything, but it made me more interested in more like subjects, like getting into wire wrapping, going back into creating waist beads. What else? Doing more painting. Yeah. So, but I would still do a little bit of